UF Tools Company, established in 2010, is a leading manufacturer of precision repair tools. With an integrated R&D and production team, UF Tools Company is a prominent manufacturer in the field of precision repair tools, specializing in the design, development, and production of high-quality tools for various industries. With our integrated approach of combining engineering expertise and advanced production equipment, we strive to provide innovative solutions for precision repairs that meet the evolving needs of our customers. Our state-of-the-art production facility is equipped with advanced machinery and equipment, allowing us to maintain stringent quality control throughout the manufacturing process. From the initial design phase to the final assembly, every step is meticulously executed to ensure the highest standards of craftsmanship. UF Tools Company specializes in the production of precision repair tools for a wide range of applications, including electronics, telecommunications, medical devices, automotive, and more. Our product portfolio includes, but is not limited to, screwdrivers, tweezers, pliers, electrical tools, and measuring instrument. We offer a comprehensive range of options to meet the diverse needs of our customers. As a customer-centric company, we are committed to providing exceptional service and support. We work closely with our clients to understand their specific requirements and offer tailored solutions to meet their unique needs. Our goal is to establish long-term partnerships built on trust, reliability, and mutual success. Choose UF Tools Company for all your precision repair tool needs and experience the pinnacle of quality, innovation, and customer satisfaction.
Hello, welcome to Youfu.